Understanding, you're out of order. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, you're out of order. This might sound like something related to machines or restaurants, but it actually has a completely different meaning in social contexts. Stick around as we unpack the nuances of this phrase and how to use it correctly in English conversations. First, let's break down the literal meaning of out of order. This phrase is commonly used to describe machines or equipment that aren't working properly, like an elevator or a vending machine. When something is out of order, it means it's not functioning as it should. However, when directed at a person, the meaning shifts dramatically. When you hear someone say, "You're out of order," in a conversation or argument, it's not about machinery. This expression is used to tell someone that their behavior or comments are inappropriate, unacceptable, or not following the expected norms or rules. It's often used in formal settings like meetings, courts, or debates, but can also be heard in personal arguments to indicate that someone has crossed a line. To better understand, let's look at some examples. In a courtroom, if a lawyer speaks out of turn or disrespects the court, a judge might say, "You're out of order," to indicate that the lawyer's behavior is unacceptable. During a heated argument between friends, if one friend says something extremely personal and hurtful, the other might respond with, "You're out of order," to express that the comment was beyond the bounds of fair or respectful conversation. While it's a powerful phrase, "you're out of order," should be used sparingly and only in situations where someone's behavior genuinely merits such a strong rebuke. It's a way to call attention to behavior that is significantly inappropriate or offensive, and using it in minor disagreements might be seen as overly dramatic or inappropriate itself. Understanding the phrase, "you're out of order," enriches your English vocabulary and helps you navigate complex social interactions. Remember, it's a tool for specific situations where norms are being violated, not a catch-all phrase for every disagreement. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds depth to your conversations in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.